Welcome. If you're looking to block someone who isn't your friend on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Whether it's to protect your privacy or simply to keep your experience positive, blocking non-friends is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it step by step, using the latest version of Snapchat. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're in, head straight to your chat screen. You can do this by swiping right from the main camera screen. This is where all your recent conversations and contacts appear, including people who aren't on your friends list but have messaged you or interacted with you in some way. Next, scroll through your chat list and find the contact you want to block. If you don't see them right away, you can use the search bar at the top to type in their name or username. Once you've found the person, press and hold on their name. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, tap on Manage Friendship. Here you'll see the option to block. Go ahead and select Block. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you really want to go through with it. Tap Block again to confirm, and that's it. The person is now blocked. They won't be able to send you snaps, view your stories, or contact you in any way. Your profile will also be hidden from them and they'll be removed from your chat list. Blocking someone on Snapchat is a discreet process. The person you block won't receive any notification about it. If you ever change your mind, you can always unblock them later by going into your settings and viewing your blocked users list. Taking control of your Snapchat experience is important, and knowing how to block non-friends is a simple way to keep your space safe and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.